Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Synergy Expert Advisor for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, this RSI and Bollinger Bands and moving average system is aimed at EURUSD on the 1 minute time frame and other major pairs. So in this video we are going to see if the Synergy actually delivers on its word, and we also get the chance to look at my backtest and also compare results. So ensure you stick to the end to get the full picture. Now before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators, candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free by using the link in the description below, so ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Now moving on to the Synergy expert advisor, it was developed by Jamal El Alama from Canada. It's quite popular, has 3.5 star rating on the MQF5 community and has about 14 products. And this expert advisor, the Synergy, is going for $69 US, approximately $70. It has no reviews, it has no comments, and it also has no recent updates since it was published on the 22nd of February 2024. Now looking at the actual strategy of this EA, it combines three indicators like I said: the RSI, the Bollinger Bands, and the 200, the moving average, 200 period moving average. And the RSI is for overbought or oversold momentum, the Bollinger Bands is for volatility extremes, and the moving average is for trend direction. It looks for confluence between these to find high probability entries and exits. Also, it's recommended for EURUSD on the 1 minute time frame, with support for GBP USD, AUD USD, and USD JPY. The minimum deposit is just $100, and it works on any account type with hedging adjustments. The EA is marketed as easy to install and run with default indicator settings. Just set your trade size and adjust max trades based on netting or hedging account, and you're good to go basically. So it's like a plug and play. The settings and everything has all been handled for you by the developer, Mr. Jamal. And let's look at their backtest numbers. They have some impressive numbers. Initial deposit is $10,000 and the total net profit from that is $149,656. We have a profit factor above 1, which is 1.08, and a 64% win rate. We also have the balance drawdown. The max is 17%, while the equity is 19%. And this backtest was over the span of 10 years, from 2013 to 2023. So that was some impressive results. And let's look at the features, which is marketed by the developer. Looking at the inputs, we have the trade indicator Synergy, we have hedging support, we also have the max open, the max long, max short trades. Also we have the slippage protection, and it emphasizes simple setup and adaptability to different account types while focusing on major liquidity pairs like EURUSD, GBP USD, AUD USD, and USD JPY. Now I had the chance to backtest this EA on MetaTrader 5 on EURUSD on the 1 minute time frame as recommended, and it was from June 2025 to June 2026, and it was also on every tick based on real ticks modeling on a $10,000 account. And let's look at the results. It lost about $8,800, and the profit factor is 0.57, which is very poor, and it has roughly 50% win rate across 611 trades in that span in the year. and the max drawdown hit nearly 89% for both balance and equity. And the equity curve showed a slow downward drift that accelerated into heavy losses toward the end here, as you can see. It started from $10,000 and slowly just grinded all the way down, which has something to do with the core of the strategy of this expert advisor, and not really any risky concept or risky trading that's going to take the account all the way down. This was just trading gradually and hitting those losses and gradually going all the way down until it nearly blew the account. We have loss of $8,000. Comparing this to the developer's long-term backtest with positive results and around 65% wins, this was a much tougher reality. The thing is, the settings like the RSI levels, the trade size, the hedging mode, and especially the max trade limits are what actually matter most here, and these are actually adjustable. If you want, you can adjust it to suit your preferences depending on the type of trader that you are. But for this backtest, I used the default settings from the developer himself, since he said it's a plug and play. So I just quickly plugged it to my MT5 and played it with the default settings, and this is the results that we have. It's quite poor, and my verdict for this Synergy expert advisor is that it's a classic multi-indicator 1 minute time frame system that can generate lots of signals. Nuances will include the heavy noise on low time frames and the cost of hedging and spreads. Also, there are hidden risks, which the account can bleed from frequent trading. We had 611 trades in 1 year. That's quite a number. And also we have the execution sensitivity and the potential for big drawdowns in choppy conditions. But it's good for experienced low time frame traders with excellent brokers who can actively manage it and also who can set it properly to work in their favor. But from the looks of things, with the way the EA slowly grinded the account toward the downside, the equity curve and everything, I wouldn't really recommend this to traders who actually are excellent low time frame traders. I'll say you should look for something else. Beginners also should probably avoid this expert advisor if you don't know how to set it up, if you don't know how to properly maneuver the settings and the inputs that will make this expert advisor work efficiently for you. You should probably just avoid it. And also traders who are looking for some stability should also avoid this. The profit and drawdowns can differ depending on market conditions and position size or risk that the trader is using. And that is the end of our review for the Synergy Expert Advisor. If you want more real EA reviews like this, smash the like button and subscribe and turn on notifications. Drop in the comments which expert advisor you want me to test next, and don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description below. It's very useful. It has indicators and patterns included. Trade safe out there. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.